welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to mount bindings to our brand new ski. Now, today with the internet, you could actually buy these brand new skis, like a year old or 2 years old, 3 years old, quite a bit of a bargain. But the way it's shipped, it will be shipped with a plate that is placed on the ski by the factory, and then they'll ship you in a different box the set of bindings that came with the kit. What I'm going to show you is how to mount them. It's fairly easy. What you need to do first is to understand the length of your boot. In this case, happens to be 314 millimeters. And if you look at the rack itself, it has a certain amount of numbers that actually correspond to the length of your boot. To mount the front piece, you take this tab here and you lift it, which what it will do, it will eliminate the locking mechanism. You see it right here, how it moves, okay? And this piece here, the little edge, is the one that you use to place it right where the length of the boot is on the track. So in this case, it's 314. I'm gonna move it between 312 and 319, and then I let this go and it locks. Now we're gonna do the rear. The rear is a little bit different. It has this little piece here, and the little piece has to be lifted. Now what I'm gonna do in order to slide it, I'm gonna put in this rubber piece so like that the brakes don't get in the way. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna lift this as I slide it in. It's just like the other one. You see how it moves? It basically eliminates it lets the binding slide. You have to put it in nicely right in between the rack, and then just give it a push. And in this case, I will stop at between 308 and 315, because mine is at 314. 308 and 315. Make sure we check this well. Oh no, that's 308 and 307. Let me move it back a little bit. Now it's 308 and 315. The binding is mounted. The next thing that you have to do is to make sure that you set the DIN settings. Now, the DIN settings is something that I think you should have a professional do it in your local shop, but what you avoid having to do is pay for the mounting. You could just basically look at my ask them to look at your binding, see that everything is okay, and to set your DIN. Now we could take the boot just to make sure it does fit, and we just push it in. Let's see. It is. It's in. There you go. So like I said before, it's really important that you have your DIN setting looked at by a professional, in this case your local ski shop, and also just make sure they look at it once over. They won't charge you much since you already installed everything, and it's most likely you'll be ready and set to go. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a good day.